He received a book that featured a number of paintings, and he felt himself drawn towards the bright colors and unique designs. Introduction. When his older brother showed him other art books, he began painting images and canvases that create the work of masters. He was very good at painting when he was a kid in his school. Then he was interested in painting like a professional work.
Racing pop and street culture of New York in the 1980s. Beard and dreams, love, sex, war are recurring themes in his works. Aliens, Worldly, Free South Africa, and Andy Ross. Who did he become artist? He painted graffiti on the walls of the street.
I like it because the colors are beautiful.
I like because art has many colors. He went to the School of Arts and Crafts. The teacher liked the way he drew.
It's a Punch's paint. La Raya Verde. Probably the most famous work of Matisse is this portrait of his wife Amélie, created in 1995. Femme Assis. He spread joy through furniture, ornamentation, and vivid colors.